Do you have the hiccups, and do you not want to have the hiccups? Well, I'm George Connelly, and I've got the anecdote for you. In order to make this anecdote, you're going to need three things. A glue stick, a harmonica, preferably in the key of D, and a light green water pistol fully loaded with water, preferably. Now the first thing you're going to want to do is balance the glue on your right hand. And once it is balanced, pick up your harmonica and play D, G, D. No! Once the glue is balanced, pick up your Once the glue is balanced, pick up your harmonica and play D, G, D. Now, while keeping the glue balanced, put the harmonica down, pick up your water pistol, and with one shot, shoot off the Elmer's glue. If you miss, it's not going to work. Here we go. Oh, I missed. Oh, I spilled it all. Oh, there's what? I knew this would happen. Oh, it's on the walls too. Thank God for paper towels. Glue. Balanced on the right hand. D, G, D. Pick up the water pistol. Ah! Tripped a little. Oh my goodness gracious. D, G, D. Water pistol. Boo! Oh, goodness. Now you won't have the hiccups ever again. I think I forgot to mention that. You don't have to do this every single time that you get the hiccups. If you do it successfully once, you'll never get the hiccups ever again. I have a little secret for you. Now, today, you're watching this on a Wednesday, maybe a Thursday if you're a little bit late. On Friday, which is August 20-something, a new series is going to be back on my channel. Now, what that series is, it's up to your imagination. I've only had a couple of series grace my channel. But on Friday, a new season of a series will be returning to my channel. I hope you're looking forward to it as I am. Oh, I actually got it. I tried to go a bit low. Oh no, it's actually all wet. That wasn't smart. Well, it might have just been a caterpillar.